wonder how many drunk people take a wrong turn and end up in this. Whatever you do, don't walk around hungry here, because this is the problem you're going to be faced in every corner. This, that, this, that, this, that, this, all the way down. This is the store we went into in Venice. Look at this. It's called the Iris Gallery. They take pictures of your eyes and they do stuff like this. Crazy. And then after a month, my iris picture finally showed up at my doorstep. So this is the one I did in Venice. Should do a whole series of the dogs of Venice. Look at this little guy. Oh my God, he's so cute. He's definitely well groomed.
I think it's a Piton de Tillier.
Okay, I got a new hat. What do you guys think? Piggy blinders. I feel like I should start ripping bricks out of the wall and throwing them at people. Oh, and by the way, the gondolas were 100 euros an hour to rent. Absolutely insane, but I run it one anyways. Doesn't pay to be tall on this part. This is all original armor from back in the day. Look at this. Made it home.